Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make watermelon butter cookies. These are such a fun treat for summer. They look adorable. They'll be a huge hit at your next summer barbecue. This is definitely a bit of a time-consuming recipe, so I do recommend that you start these about 2 days in advance of when you want to have them finished. There's a lot of chill time, so you need to make sure your cookies have enough time to rest. currently watching me try to struggle to attach the green portion of the cookie to the rest of the cookie roll and thinking to yourself, no, I don't want to try this recipe. Don't worry, I actually already fixed it for you. After I got done making this recipe, I went back and fixed all of the measurements. So now you have 2/3 cup of the white and the green, which will make it much easier for you than it was for me. We call these the chef's cut. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave a comment down below. What should I bake next? Bye!